Welcome to Calwayne Health TV. Today's topic is on intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a popular eating pattern. It's not a diet in the traditional sense. Instead of restricting what you eat, it focuses on when you eat. Imagine it as a schedule for your meals, not a list of forbidden foods. You cycle between periods of eating and fasting on a regular schedule. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Calwayne Health TV, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest health tips, wellness hacks, and more. One popular method is the 16-8 method. Another approach is the 5-2 diet. The beauty of intermittent fasting lies in its flexibility and simplicity. It's been studied extensively, and the results are promising. Intermittent fasting has been linked to a wide range of health benefits. To understand how intermittent fasting works, we need to look at how our bodies process food. When we eat, our bodies break down carbohydrates into glucose, our primary energy source. This glucose then enters our cells with the help of a hormone called insulin, produced by the pancreas. When we eat frequently throughout the day, our insulin levels remain elevated, promoting energy storage as fat. However, when we fast, insulin levels drop significantly. This drop signals our bodies to shift from fat storage to fat burning, tapping into our stored energy reserves. This metabolic switch is key to understanding the benefits of intermittent fasting. By extending the period without food, we allow our bodies to utilize stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss and other metabolic improvements. But the benefits of intermittent fasting extend far beyond weight management. Fasting triggers a cascade of hormonal and cellular changes that promote health and longevity. It's like hitting the reset button on your metabolism, giving your body a chance to repair and rejuvenate itself. Insulin plays a pivotal role in how our bodies utilize energy. When we eat, particularly carbohydrates, our blood sugar levels rise, prompting the pancreas to release insulin. Insulin acts as a key, unlocking the doors of our cells to allow glucose to enter and be used for energy. However, when we consistently consume a diet high in refined carbohydrates and sugary foods, our bodies can become less sensitive to insulin's effects. This insulin resistance means our cells don't respond to insulin as efficiently, leading to elevated blood sugar levels and potentially increasing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Here's where intermittent fasting comes into play. By extending the period without food, we give our bodies a break from the constant influx of glucose and insulin. This break allows our cells to become more sensitive to insulin again, improving blood sugar control and reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting is like a reset button for our metabolism, improving insulin sensitivity and promoting a healthier balance of energy utilization and storage. Our bodies are incredibly adaptable machines, capable of utilizing different energy sources depending on availability. When we eat regularly, glucose from carbohydrates is our primary fuel source. However, when we fast, glucose stores dwindle, prompting our bodies to find an alternative energy source, stored fat. This metabolic shift is a key benefit of intermittent fasting. During fasting, insulin levels drop, signaling to our bodies that it's time to tap into our fat reserves. Fat is broken down into fatty acids, which are then used by our cells to produce energy. This process, known as lipolysis, is enhanced during fasting. Intermittent fasting, in essence, helps us tap into our body's natural fat-burning capabilities. By extending the period without food, we encourage our bodies to become more efficient at utilizing stored fat for energy, promoting weight loss and improving body composition. This metabolic flexibility, the ability to switch between different fuel sources, is a hallmark of a healthy metabolism. Intermittent fasting helps us achieve this metabolic flexibility, enhancing our body's ability to burn fat and maintain a healthy weight. Section 5. Weight loss wonders, a sustainable approach. Weight loss is often a key motivator for people exploring intermittent fasting. Numerous studies have demonstrated its effectiveness in shedding pounds. Intermittent fasting offers a flexible and manageable approach to weight management. By extending the fasting window, individuals naturally consume fewer calories. This calorie restriction, combined with the metabolic switch to fat burning, contributes to weight loss. Section 6. Insulin sensitivity, a balancing act. Insulin regulates blood sugar levels. Carbohydrates raise blood sugar, prompting insulin release. Insulin signals cells to absorb glucose, lowering blood sugar. High sugar diets can lead to insulin resistance. Insulin resistance increases blood sugar, risking type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting improves insulin sensitivity. Fasting gives our bodies a break from constant glucose influx. This break enhances insulin response, improving blood sugar control. Intermittent fasting helps regain insulin sensitivity, promoting balanced blood sugar levels. Section 7. Cellular repair and longevity. Fasting's fountain of youth. Beyond its metabolic benefits, intermittent fasting has garnered attention for its potential to promote cellular repair and longevity. Fasting triggers a fascinating process called autophagy, a natural cellular cleansing mechanism that has been linked to a wide range of health benefits. Autophagy can be likened to our cell's internal recycling system. During periods of fasting, when energy resources are scarce, our cells activate autophagy to break down and recycle damaged proteins and cellular components, effectively removing waste and promoting cellular renewal. This cellular cleansing process has been associated with various health benefits, including reduced inflammation, improved brain health, and even increased lifespan in animal studies. While more research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of autophagy in humans, the current evidence suggests that intermittent fasting may hold the key to unlocking our body's natural rejuvenation processes. By incorporating regular fasting periods, we may support our cells' ability to repair and regenerate, potentially promoting longevity and reducing the risk of age-related diseases. Debunking myths, separating fact from fiction. Intermittent fasting has its fair share of myths. Let's debunk some common ones. Myth 1. Intermittent fasting leads to muscle loss. Studies show it doesn't, especially with resistance training. Myth 2. It slows down metabolism. Metabolic rate is determined by body size, not meal frequency. Myth 3. It's not safe for everyone. Consult a healthcare provider if you have concerns. Section 9. Intermittent fasting and brain health. A cognitive boost. The benefits of intermittent fasting extend beyond our physical health, encompassing our cognitive function as well. Emerging research suggests that intermittent fasting may enhance brain health and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. During fasting, our brains undergo fascinating adaptations. One key change is the increased production of a protein called brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which plays a crucial role in neuron growth, survival, and synaptic plasticity. BDNF is often referred to as fertilizer for the brain, promoting learning, memory, and overall cognitive function. Moreover, intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, both of which are implicated in the development of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. While more research is needed to fully elucidate the long-term effects of intermittent fasting on brain health, the current evidence suggests that it may hold promise for maintaining cognitive function as we age. By incorporating regular fasting periods, we may support our brain's resilience and potentially reduce the risk of cognitive decline later in life. Section 10. Consulting your healthcare provider. While intermittent fasting offers a myriad of health benefits, it's essential to approach it with caution and seek personalized guidance from your healthcare provider, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Your healthcare provider can assess your individual health status, consider any potential interactions with medications, and help determine if intermittent fasting aligns with your overall health goals. They can also provide personalized guidance on the most appropriate fasting protocol for your needs and monitor your progress along the way. Remember, health is not a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one person may not work for another. Open communication with your healthcare provider ensures that you're making informed decisions about your health and well-being. By working together, you can develop a safe and effective intermittent fasting plan tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. Section 11. Conclusion. Embracing a healthier lifestyle. Intermittent fasting has emerged as a powerful lifestyle intervention that goes beyond weight loss, offering a wide array of health benefits. From improving insulin sensitivity and promoting fat burning to enhancing cellular repair and potentially boosting brain health, intermittent fasting provides a sustainable approach to improving our overall well-being. By understanding the science behind intermittent fasting, separating fact from fiction, and seeking personalized guidance from our healthcare providers, we can harness the power of this ancient practice to live healthier, more vibrant lives. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about making conscious choices that nourish our bodies and minds. Whether you're looking to lose weight, improve your metabolic health, or simply explore a new approach to eating, intermittent fasting offers a flexible and evidence-based path toward a healthier lifestyle. Embrace the journey, consult with your healthcare provider, and unlock the transformative potential of intermittent fasting. Visit our description box for more information and products recommendations. See you in the next video.